We're going to climb up and put the ridge board on top of one of the peaks, on top of 2 levels of scaffolding above the 15-foot ceiling. The very first 28-foot rafter. We are putting up roof rafters hanging off the edge of the hip ridge. It's our first plane of roof that we're putting in. It feels really good to be up here putting those in. They actually go pretty quick. The 2x6s, they're lighter than the big beams, of course. So feels good, doesn't it, Ben?
Yes, it
Ben
does.
is visiting again, helping us out for the weekend. Braden is our cameraman at the moment. Doing an outstanding job.
Thank you.